Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your Whirlpool washer touchscreen not working in 2026. Now, a touchscreen works through the electrical signals and touch sensitivity. So if the panel cannot detect the input properly, it means that the washer appears unresponsive even though the power is fine. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to clean the touch panel surface properly. You can remove any kind of water droplets or detergent residue and the grease or any kind of dirt. Even a thin layer can block the touch response. After doing so, you just have to use the dry hands and then you can try again. So touch panels responds best to the dry fingers. Wet or soapy hands reduce the sensitivity. So after cleaning the panel, you just have to simply try pressing these buttons and see if the issue is gone. After doing so, you just have to take a look at the lock icon or the CL indicator. If this particular lock is enabled, the panel will not respond. So you can press and hold the correct button combination in order to unlock this. Now, if the issue still persists, you can also perform a reset. In it, you just have to press and hold the power button for about 10 to 20 seconds and then you just have to wait for further 1 minute and plug it back in, and this is going to reset the control panel circuitry. So you can try these easy fixes and see if your Whirlpool touchscreen is now working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.